Is anyone West 96 in Southfield trying to catch up to a Challenger? Just blew my doors off. He's going westbound now at 112.
Now, Bradley Court is going into a court. Jackson, one of these addresses. No. Right now at Bradley Court in Westfield. Coming back out to Westfield. Turn his lights off. He's parked in front of 25045 Westfield. 25045 Westfield. Parked in front of that residence. Oh, now he's taking back off. Now he's pulling into the drive. Pulling in behind that house. He's in the backyard of that residence. Driver's getting out. Ran into the garage. On the left, now he's running behind the garage.
Clear 20, we're going to need the air. We're at that address now.
20 is clear at 221. Giving you the air.
He's getting back in his car, guys. He's going back to his car.